Top-down mixing is a technique that can lead to better mixes by placing signal processing, EQ, compressors, etc., on your mix bus and listening to all the tracks through the mix bus before modifying individual tracks or instrument buses. Here are the 5 tips to achieve a successful top-down mix. Understand top-down mixing. Top-down mixing is not just about adjusting levels. It's about understanding the overall sound you want to achieve. This involves listening to the entire mix through the mix bus before making any adjustments to individual tracks or instrument buses. Use mix bus console and tape emulations. Mix bus console and tape emulations can help you achieve the desired sound in your mix. These tools can add warmth, depth, and character to your mix, making it sound more cohesive and balanced. Mix by cutting channel faders. Boosting at the channel faders will amplify any noise already in the signal path. Therefore, you should only use the channel faders to cut volume as you mix, so don't push past unity gain. Create a static mix. A static mix involves adjusting the levels and pan position for the basic sound. This is where you decide the volume of each track and where it sits in the stereo field. The aim is to create a balance where each element has its own space and can be clearly heard. Apply EQ and compression on the mix bus. Applying EQ and compression on the mix bus is the final step in the top-down mixing process. This allows you to adjust the tonal balance of the entire mix and control the dynamic range. Every mix is unique, so there's no one-size-fits-all approach to top-down mixing. It's all about using your ears and making decisions that serve the song. Happy mixing! Please leave a comment with your own tips and what you would like us to cover next. Also tickle that like button and hit the bell and subscribe notification for more no-nonsense tips.